Time smooth like a gym, but my motivation simple. I'm gonna send you signs, or I'm gonna send you signals. Tired fucking with some thoughts, I want this shit official. Bitches make it hard these days to act civil. Now I'm vigilant, I was innocent. Seems like I'm nothing else other than an irritant. I've been visited by them fucking grays. They told me, Cujo, get the fuck out of this place. Don't fuck with hoes, there's no time to waste. Now them bitches just a damn copy paste. He got the pack, so I'm gonna wait. We'll make the deal and then I'll be straight. I'm from the state where they overrate. A bitch wants some dick, but then males she hates. I hear a beat, the flows generate. When I'm on the mic, my eyes dilate. You got that bitch, you can take her. That would be doing a favor. It won't be long before you hate her. And bullshit, I'm not a partaker. Cujo a dog just like Snoopy. She wanna fuck absolutely. The one time I thought this went smoothly, I let that pussy consume me. Hey. Do this shit real quick, man. Dinner's out, we ain't done yet. In the fucking cafeteria, whatever the fuck. Yeah. Contraband, stomp a sand. We burn your spot and burn all your land. See, I'm not a fan of your little team. That Nordpack always riding clean. Contraband, stomp a sand. We burn your spot and burn all your land. See, I'm not a fan of your little team.